So first we want to find the simplest form of each expression. And here we have 429 divided by 390. And first let's express it as a fraction. So 429 over 390. And next we want to find its simplest form. So what are the common factors? I can figure out that both the numerator and the denominator are divisible by 3. So let's start there. So I can write this as 3 times 143, and the denominator I can write as 3 times 130. Are we done? So I can also see that there is a factor of 13 in the numerator and the denominator. So 3 times, and I can write 143 as 13 times 11, and you can tell that 130 I can write as 13 times 10. So some big common factors going on here. And this can be rewritten as 3 over 3 times 13 over 13 times 11 over 10. And this will cancel out, become 1. This will cancel out, become 1, and I am left with 11 over 10, which I can also rewrite as 1 and 1/10, or 1 plus 1/10. And how do I express 1/10 in decimal form? I can write 0.1, so 1 plus 0.1 is equal to 1.1. Part B, let's once again rewrite this in fraction form. So 51 over 136. And now let's think about what their common factors might be. Well, I know that 51 is divisible by 3. In fact, it is 3 times 17. But 136 is not divisible by 3. Is it divisible by 17? Let's check. Well, it actually is. So that works out. So I can rewrite 51 as 3. Actually, I'm going to write 17 times 3. And for the denominator, I'm going to write 17 times 8. 17 times 8 comes out to 136. Can I simplify this any further? Well, there are no other common factors between 3 and 8, so I know that I'm done, and I'm going to rewrite this as 17 over 17 times 3 over 8. 17 over 17 will simplify to just 1, and I will be left with 3 over 8. Now, how can I express this as a fraction? What do I have to multiply the numerator and denominator by? So I've got 2 boxes here that I need to fill. In order to get a fraction that has a denominator which is a power of 10. So a 10 or 100 or 1,000. So what's the closest one that I can get? So 8 is not a factor of 10, but it is a factor of, it's not a factor of 100 either, but it is a factor of 1,000. So you have to multiply 8 by 125 in order to get 1,000. So because I had to multiply the denominator by 125, I will do the same thing to the numerator. Sorry, tiny writing here. And 3 times 125 is 375. Whoops, I wrote 100, but what I meant was 1,000 here. And in decimal form, that is 0.375. And that is our decimal answer.